Just had this arrive from Learning Resources. It's a Scratch coding set which allows you to do offline coding using the principles of Scratch. I'll show you what's inside the box. So inside the box, what we've basically got is a selection of different sprites. There are then lots of different commands from Scratch that you'd see on the Scratch screen. We've then got some different backgrounds, and then there are some activity cards which you can follow. So these are different cards, and on the back each one's got a activity that you can do. The Scratch Junior version works in the same way, but obviously you've got slightly different cards which matches what you find on Scratch Junior instead. So just an example, I've got this activity card here, which is a very simple Hello World one. When I look at the back of it, it'll tell me what to do. Choose a backdrop card, choose a sprite, so on. So I just move that over there. I can choose a backdrop like so. I've got my cat, he's my character, and we can start to build up our program. So I can say when I click the flag, he is going to say a particular thing. So he's going to say maybe hello, and then maybe some extra step as well. I can then get him to move maybe 10 steps along the screen. So if I'm using this for Scratch, the children could work out what they're going to do and plan out their Scratch activity first before they go onto the computer and then code it onto Scratch proper. Maybe you're splitting the class in half, so half are doing it on Scratch for real and half are doing it on here. But it does provide a nice way of doing some offline, unplugged approaches to using Scratch. So go check it out. So if you're looking online, you're looking for the block-based coding student activity set, Scratch Junior, or for Scratch. Go take a look.